I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Sigma Design. Come on in. Since 1994, we've built Sigma Design to be the kind of partner we'd want to have. Honest, collaborative, and technically sound. We aren't the biggest firm out there, and that's intentional. It helps us stay closer to the work and closer to our clients. At our core, we help companies develop products from concept through production or anywhere in between. Whether you need a full team, a specialist, or just a fresh perspective, we design, engineer, build, and test to match your goals. You own the IP, we keep it confidential, and we stay flexible to move at your pace. We do what we say, and we stand by our work. Solving tough problems is what we do, and we have fun doing it.
That commitment carries through every project. One of our core values is help clients and each other, and that's exactly how we try to work. We're always looking for better ways to support our customers and improve what we do internally. Sometimes it means rethinking a design or trying a new material or finding a way to streamline a process. And we encourage everyone here to speak up when they see ways to make things better for themselves or for the team or for our clients. It's about staying curious, being helpful, and delivering solutions that work.
And once a project gets underway, we stay laser focused on execution. Projects at Sigma are not forced into a one-size-fits-all approach. We adapt to support the client's desired outcome. Projects move through engineering, prototyping, manufacturing, testing, sometimes back again. Our job is to keep that movement efficient, clear, and intentional. Exceeding customer expectations is more than just hitting the goal. It's about listening closely and making sure that what's delivered meets the need. And that is not done without an exceptionally talented team that is ready for anything.
We accept many different challenges. Just because we're solving technical problems doesn't mean we take ourselves too seriously. We're just a bunch of goofballs, but we're still passionate about the work we do. We really get into the details. Whatever we're working on, we bring a mix of precision, creativity, and humor. Taking time to laugh keeps our thinking fresh, our solutions effective, and our team grounded, even when the work gets tough.
That kind of energy doesn't stop at engineering. On the shop floor, our machining teams are constantly collaborating with each other, with engineers, even directly with clients and vendors. Having everything under one roof makes it easier to get feedback, have high quality, and make adjustments when needed, and even keep our confidentiality at an all-time high. It works because we treat each other with respect. Respect for each other is foundational at Sigma Design. We listen, we share insights, and we trust the people that we work with. That's what makes the process smoother, the parts better, and ultimately makes the whole team stronger.
Of course, not everything happens under our roof. Some projects require hands-on help at the client site. And that's where our augmented resources and staffing support comes in. Whether it's a short-term push or a long-term engagement, we show up ready to plug in and get to work. That takes flexibility, but more than that, it takes adaptability, being able to adjust on the fly, to be able to react quickly, and to help in whatever capacity for the environment that we're in. We're there to collaborate, to support, and to help move the work forward no matter where it's needed.
So that's Sigma Design. We're a team of thinkers, makers, problem solvers, and collaborators, and we're proud of the work we do together. We're adaptable product development partners, and we'd love to work with you.